Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Teachers Credit Union, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current financial situation. Gather all your income sources, including your salary and any side gigs. List your fixed expenses, such as rent, utilities, and insurance. Next, document your variable expenses, like groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Use a budgeting template to help organize your data clearly. Teachers Credit Union offers various tools and resources to assist you in this process. Visit their website to access budgeting calculators and financial planning tools. Input your income and expenses into the budgeting calculator. Calculate your total monthly income and subtract your total expenses. Identify areas where you can cut back on spending. Allocate funds for savings, debt repayment, and essential expenses. Consider setting up automatic transfers to your savings account through Teachers Credit Union. This ensures you prioritize savings each month. Review your budget monthly to track your spending habits. Make adjustments as needed based on your financial goals. Utilize the financial education resources provided by Teachers Credit Union for additional guidance. Stay informed about any promotions or benefits offered to members. Take advantage of their financial workshops and webinars. Build a habit of checking your budget regularly to stay on track. This will help you achieve your financial goals effectively. Stay disciplined and positive as you work on your budgeting journey. Remember, budgeting is an ongoing process that requires commitment. With the support of Teachers Credit Union, you can manage your finances with confidence. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.